Have you ever dreamed of a stock picking generator? Something that could consistently, objectively pick a stock for you to invest in, tell you when to go in, tell you what the entry price is, and then monitor that trend for you over the long term? You're looking at what we call the swing machine. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. Today is December 23rd at 6:17. The stock market, the futures are open, but the stock market closed at 4 o'clock. And over the Christmas holidays, just over the Christmas holidays, we're going to be giving you a sample of how powerful a subscription to Stock Market Caddy is. Because if you are a base member, you get to see these signals every single night. And if you are a level 2 member, you get to tailor these tools and put them right on your own computer. So let me show you. The Swing Machine is monitoring the S&P 500. For today, these are the market calls or the stock calls. They'll confirm tomorrow. Long entry on American Airlines. Long entry on Apache. Short entry, a short entry after being long for 117 days. We're flashing a short entry on DHI. We're getting a long entry on ECL, Ecolab. We're getting a long entry on EFX. We're getting a long entry on Fluor, FLR. A short entry on GT, Goodyear Tire. We're getting a long entry on Hess Corp Oil. We're getting a short entry on ICE, Intercontinental Exchange. We're getting a short entry on CarMax. We're getting a long entry on SBA Communications. And this is a long for WBA Walgreens and a long entry on Waste Management. The purse is zeroed out because these are the entries that we're getting alerted to. They'll confirm tomorrow, but looking pretty good. If you want to know what the entry price is, here are the entry prices, long or short. This is the entry date. So you say, well, that's all well and good, but how about the picks from yesterday? Well, here they are. Here are the stocks. And let me scroll and show you. So we'll scroll up. We're very transparent here. These stocks were entries yesterday. So this is the second day. These are all the longs. All the longs. And today they're underwater a little bit. Just a little bit. This is assuming 100 shares. This one is up $256. The short is up 141, and this one from yesterday is up 32. Now it's early with the stocks. You know, we're not intraday trading these. This is not an intraday signal. But 3 days ago, this one's up 277. 3 days ago, this one's up 125. 3 days ago, this one's down. And you can see what they're up after 3 days. And let's scroll down and give you a little bit more of a view. This is 4 days ago was a long on Amazon. That's up 897. ARE 107. And let's scroll down to give you like the last 10 days. How about that? This one here is up 107. This one here is 498. This one here is 169. JB Hunt is up 87. This is from the entry price. It's not to say that you could have done a little bit better or made more if you had more than 100 shares or did it with options. Mosaic is up 68. And then we got a few that are underwater. But let's scroll so we get up to about a 10-day count. And as you can tell, a little bit longer holding time. 6 days, $884. 6 days, 158 here. This one, VLO, is it? No, it's WDC is up 620, 252. This is just on 100 shares. This one here, Albemarle, up 580. How about this one? Up 5,850 in 7 days. So let's just scroll down and give you the last 10 days. Now, there we go. Okay. That's just the 10-day. Now, we do pretty well. We'll sort the purse, and you can see some of these have been in here a long time. Out of the entire 500, we're profitable in about 85% of all of our picks. How about that? Let's go to the NASDAQ 100. We only got 10 minutes on YouTube. Please, if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to push the like button. Be sure to subscribe. And be sure to check out our website. And should you want to subscribe, it's only $99, $99.95 a month is our base membership. So today on the NASDAQ, we got a long entry. Well, it's American. These two, they're in both indexes, so it's the same. It's not doubly important. Now, let's just look here. This was yesterday. This one's confirmed underwater just a tiny bit. This one was actually 3 days ago, $22. 4 days ago, yeah, it's Amazon. So we got a little overlap from the indices, which happens, but you can see what we're doing here. And once again, out of the entire, we'll scroll down to show you the entire NASDAQ 100 so you can get an idea of just how good Swing Machine is. 91% of the stocks are above water. These 3% are just entering, and then the remainder are underwater a little bit. And of course, you do get to monitor the trend information. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you're getting it done in the stock market, congratulations. Keep doing what you're doing. Although, if you're in the market and you don't know how or why you get in, are you going to know how and why and how to get out? There will be corrections. There can be bear markets. And it can trend down. It really can. I know you don't think so. And I know the CNBC, the Contrary News Bubble Channel, would have you believe otherwise. But it can. You know it can happen. If you didn't live through the Great Recession of 2008 and 9, if you didn't live through the .com, your parents did. In 1999, December of 1999, the NASDAQ was at 5,000. It was the promise of the internet. Everybody was bullish. People were calling it a bubble, and it's like, no, no, no. And the forecast for NASDAQ, 7,000, 8,000, 10,000. Less than 6 months later, the NASDAQ was down 90%. It can happen. Don't let it happen to you. Get an education from somebody. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We don't want your money. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We are a mentoring site. We build algorithms to track money flow. We don't have the time. We don't have the money. We don't have the personnel. Quite frankly, we don't have the expertise to go out and interview all of these companies. We trust that those people who have the money, much, much more money than us, do that. And we track money flow. We go where the money is going. If the money is long and the market is long, then we buy and we hold. If the market is short and a sector is failing or the whole market is failing, we short. That is, we make money on the way down. Now, you don't have to do that, but we do. So once again, if you like this approach and you want to not just subscribe and benefit from decision-making software every night, where you could use options or futures, but you want to learn to build it for yourself, then please check us out. We're like no other place. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. If you want to call me over the holidays, let me give you my cell phone. Well, you can call me anytime, but 813-758-8263. Thank you, and Merry Christmas.